Ike Randall with Credit Suite with a business credit and funding tip on how you can quickly build business credit. So good business credit scores can be established very quick, which is part of the reason that you can establish high limit business credit accounts so quickly. So business credit scores are primarily based on how a business pays its bills. So for example, if we look at the Dun & Bradstreet Paydex score, which is the most widely used credit score in the business world, that score is solely based on payment history, meaning that the score literally depicts how you pay your bills. The Equifax Small Business Risk Score is also completely and solely based on payment history, and the Experian IntelliScore is primarily based on payment history. About 60 to 85% of the score is based on how you pay. So these are the three main commercial credit scores used by lenders and credit issuers, and almost all three of them are completely determined based on your payment history. So consumer credit scores, for example, are made up of 5 factors, and because of this, it takes many years of well-disciplined borrowing to ever really get good scores. But business scores can be built very quick because all that's needed is to have accounts that you're using, that you're paying the bills on time or early, and that will give you good scores. Factors like utilization and inquiries and the length of time you've had credit, those things really don't factor into your business score, but they do your consumer score. This is why consumer scores are so hard and take so long to build good scores, and business credit scores can be built so easily and so quickly. So if we look at Dun & Bradstreet's Paydex score as an example, which is the most commonly used commercial score in the business scoring world, here's how it looks. Basically, an 80 score literally means payment is prompt, or means that you pay your bill as agreed. 100 means that they're expecting the payment to come early. If you have a 60 score, it means you pay your bills on average 21 days late. So super simple and fast to build business credit, because all you need to do is to go to get accounts with places like Quill and Uline that are vendors. They get accounts with them, use the credit to buy things, pay the bill on time or early. Those timely payments get reported. That's what gets you good scores, and with those good scores, you can then use those to start getting revolving store credit. You can start getting Visa cards, MasterCards, even auto vehicle financing without a personal guarantee and without a personal credit check. For more information on the exact steps to build business credit, grab our free guide at creditsuite.com/tips, or feel free to give us a ring with any questions you have on building your business credit, 877-600-2487, or visit us online at creditsuite.com.